Hi everybody, welcome. I'm going to show you how to start your new project. So we're going to go down to the launcher here. We're going to click launcher. If you hover over it's that little circle. You're going to type in the word GIMP, G-I-M-P. Now this little fox with a paintbrush in his mouth is going to pop up. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, my GIMP that's going to be uploading here in a few minutes is actually a 2.8 version. You have the 2.10 version. So it doesn't quite look the same. However, all of the functions still do the same thing. So what we're going to do now is I want to double check and make sure that we are in a single window mode. So if you follow my cursor here, we're going to go all the way up to Windows. And we're going to click on Windows, and then we're going to make sure that it says single window mode, that it's been selected. Now, if you have it in single window mode and you still cannot see any of your tools, please make sure that your Hide Docs tab is not selected. So if I select it, it's hidden. What we're going to do is we're just going to go back to Windows and you're going to unclick Hide Docs. And then, of course, this opens up and everything should be available for you. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. I'm not going to X out. I'm just going to minimize. So using the minus button up there, we're going to go to Google and we're going to open up a new tab. Now, I already opened a new tab and I typed in the celebrity that I'm interested in doing my project about. So I chose Leonardo DiCaprio. He's one of my faves. I'm a big fan of him. I want to do something like that. So when you are looking at your images and you're trying to pick which image you would like to use, please make sure that the size of the image is big and also that the image is not copyrighted. If the image is copyrighted, you will be unable to download to your Linux because, again, it's already been copyrighted. So what we'll be doing is we're going to be trying to find a photo here that we like, whether it's whether it's something where we could find either a plain background or one that has less of a background. And again, it has to be a portrait. So we do want to see their face, their head, and their shoulders. So I'm going to go ahead with this one from Wealthy and Success. And we're going to go ahead and click on this one. So I'm actually going to take my two fingers, click directly on my mouse pad, and our options pop up here. And we're going to go down to it says Save Image As. Click on that. And it's going to automatically, for me, because we've been saving to our Linux files, will open up to my Linux files. If it does not, please double check and make sure that, again, you're saving to your files, but you're saving to your Linux files, not your downloads and not your Google Drive. We're going to go right to the Penguin. And you can rename it any way thing that you want. And then once you're done, you're going to go ahead and click Save. Once you have saved, go ahead and close out. You can choose to close your Google Chrome if you would like, but I like to keep it open. And I'm going to go back to my GIMP program here. And we're going to go ahead and open up that image. Now, what our next thing to do is we're going to go all the way up to the top left, and we're going to click on File, and we're going to go ahead and click Open. We're going to go File, Open, and then we're going to find our lovely image that we were, again, interested in and that we already saved to our Linux files. Now, if it's not in your recently used, definitely check your name. It should say like your first initial and last name. Click on that. And then, of course, everything that we've had that you've been saving is automatically there too as well. You're going to go ahead and click Open, and it's going to go ahead and show up there. So I'm going to go ahead and get you guys ready for the next step of setting up your grid.